ever wonder why people in some parts of the world live longer, healthier lives? Welcome to the mystery of the Blue Zones, regions scattered across our globe, from the sun-drenched beaches of Ikaria in Greece to the vibrant community of Loma in California. These are the places where people aren't just surviving, they're thriving into their hundreds. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, buckle up, because you're not just about to learn about these amazing places, you're about to embark on a virtual journey to explore them. We're about to embark on a journey to unveil the secrets of longevity. Have you ever thought of traveling to explore one of the Blue Zones? Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. These Blue Zones are unique pockets around the world where people live the longest, healthiest lives. They are not just geographical locations, but rather they represent a lifestyle, a culture, a way of being that embraces longevity with open arms. Imagine places where living into your 100th year isn't a miracle, but a common occurrence. Intriguing, isn't it? Did you know that on the subtropical Japanese island of Okinawa, there are 35 centenarians for every 100,000 inhabitants, 5 times more than the rest of Japan? Let's take a closer look. The Blue Zones are scattered across the globe, from the idyllic island of Ikaria in Greece, the tranquil region of Ogliastra in Sardinia, to the vibrant Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica, the serene Loma in California, and the peaceful island of Okinawa in Japan. But what ties these diverse regions together? Firstly, they enjoy a predominantly plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They consume meat sparingly, and their meals are often spruced up with a dash of herbs and spices native to their region. Secondly, they lead active lifestyles. But don't picture intensive gym workouts or marathon runs. Instead, think of natural movements woven into their daily routines. It could be tending to their gardens, walking to the market, or even dancing with friends. Thirdly, a strong sense of community is at the heart of these Blue Zones. They treasure their social connections, often spending quality time with family and friends, and even caring for the elderly at home rather than sending them to nursing homes. Lastly, these regions have a unique approach to stress management. Whether it's through meditation, prayer, or simply taking a nap, they have mastered the art of slowing down, leading to a lower incidence of lifestyle diseases. And believe me, visiting these places can be truly life-changing. It's not just about the picturesque landscapes or the exotic foods, it's about experiencing a different perspective on life. A perspective that embraces age, values community, and cherishes each moment. It's about discovering the secrets to a long, fulfilling life. So, are you ready to journey with me into these fascinating Blue Zones? In these Blue Zones, life is celebrated in its simplest form. The locals here have mastered the art of living well and living long, and much of it boils down to their traditional activities, practices, and routines. Let's start with Ikaria, Greece, a place where the clock seems to slow down. Here, people enjoy a leisurely pace of life, often gathering with friends and family for a homemade meal, cooked with local fresh produce. These gatherings are not just about nourishing the body, but also the soul, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Meanwhile, in Okinawa, Japan, you'll see elderly locals engaging in Tai Chi by the beach at sunrise, embodying the principle of hara hachi bu, eating until they are 80% full. The Okinawans have a strong sense of purpose, or ikigai, which keeps them active and content well into their twilight years. Over in Ogliastra, Sardinia, the rugged landscape lends itself to an active lifestyle. The locals here are often seen tending to their gardens, hiking up the hills, and indulging in traditional dances during festivals. It's a place where age is just a number, and the spirit of life is forever young. In the Nicoya Peninsula, Costa Rica, the locals live by the philosophy of pura vida, meaning pure life. They take the time to appreciate the beauty of nature, indulge in hearty meals, and maintain a robust social network, all of which contribute to their longevity. Travelers can even dine in relaxed tavernas and swim in the turquoise sea. Last but not least, we have Loma, California, where the Seventh-day Adventist community observes a Sabbath, a day of rest and spiritual enrichment. Here, travelers can explore the 80 acres of Crooks Park, known as the Park with Heart. In each of these Blue Zones, the landscapes, the beaches, the cultural festivals, they all play their part in nurturing a lifestyle that defies the norm, a lifestyle that embraces longevity. It's not just about living longer, it's about living better. So, let's take a deeper dive into how these activities contribute to their longevity. What if you could unlock the secrets to longevity for yourself? Just imagine embarking on a journey, not just to see breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures, but to uncover the keys to a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. It's more than just a trip, it's an exploration into the heart of what makes us human, and how we can live our best lives. These blue zones are not just geographical locations, they're living laboratories of longevity. Each one holds invaluable lessons about diet, exercise, social connections, and a positive outlook on life. They are treasure troves of wisdom waiting to be discovered. So why not pack your bags and set sail for these magical lands? See the world through the eyes of those who've mastered the art of living well. Experience their daily rituals, savor their traditional meals, absorb their joyful spirit, and learn from their centuries-old wisdom. Come, let's explore the blue zones together and unriddle their secrets. Tell me in the comments below, which one of these blue zones do you want to explore and why? As we've journeyed together through the world's most intriguing regions of longevity, I can't help but wonder if their secrets have ignited a spark of curiosity within you. Are you ready to take the plunge and explore these pockets of longevity firsthand? Or perhaps, you're inspired to incorporate a slice of blue zone life into your own routine. What blue zone lifestyle changes are you ready to embrace today? Tell me in the comments. Be sure to watch our other videos where we go more in depth about each of the blue zones, providing tips, sites, and other unique, off-the-beaten-path things to do on your trip to explore each of these blue zones.